loading screen. So this app manages screen timeout. It will keep the screen on if needed, and it will turn off the screen when the phone is not in use. Once you open this app, you'll have some rules that will determine when the screen will be turned on and when the screen will turn off. From here you can choose what keeps the screen turned on. You can choose the tilt degree. So if the phone is tilted less than that, the screen will turn off, and if it is tilted more than that, the screen stays on. Other motions will also keep the screen on. You can also wave your hand over the proximity sensor to keep it on. Below here you have got some rules to turn off the screen. You can set the inactivity time period, and the screen will also be turned off if the proximity sensor is covered for the time mentioned here. And this app also saves battery because it turns off the screen when it's not in use. So that's all about this app. Next app on the list is PPSSPP. So it's a PSP emulator for Android, and it allows you to play any PSP game in your Android device. All you need to do is download this app and have any PSP game in ISO or CSO format, and then put it in your storage. Then open this app and open the game, and it will work exactly as it would work in a PSP. And you can also use your Bluetooth controller, or with an OTG cable you can also connect your USB controller and play it from there. And if any game lags, you can just go to the settings and decrease the graphics to make it run smoothly. So nowadays we receive notifications from a lot of different applications, and most of them are useless ones. They are only there to disturb you. You can disable that inside Android, but you need to manually select its application. Once you install Smart Notification in your device, it will identify spam automatically and make sure that none of the spam notifications are displayed in your device. One or two spam notifications may pass through, but from the app you can mark it as spam, and this app will make sure that it's not displayed in your device again. Once you mark it as spam, the database of this app gets updated, and no other user who downloads this app ever receives that spam again. However, if you want to receive notification from certain spam application, you can add that application in the exception menu. You also have got the do not disturb mode here. Here you can select the time, the day, and you can choose what things you want to allow, and the do not disturb mode will trigger automatically. So that's all about this app. The next app on the list is Pictures. So it's a beautiful photo gallery replacement. The UI of this app is a lot better than what you get by default in any other Android smartphone. In the main screen, you will be presented all the photos that you have stored in your phone, and with a right swipe, you can browse all your albums. And with a left swipe, you can choose to view specific file type, or you can even choose to view photos based on locations. And from up here, you can open Calendar and view photos based on which days they have been taken. And if you want to share any photo, this app allows you to resize it for you to share that photo with anyone. So that's all about this app. It's a great replacement for the default gallery app. It's Tapgraph Music Player. So if you just play local music and want a good looking simple player just to play music, this one is for you. So you can sort music in various categories here, just like in any other music player. Above here you have the search option available. From here you can go to the equalizer, and in this music player you'll also have the playing queue, which most music player lacks. You can easily add a song to the queue from here. So that's all about this app. This music player is one of the best looking players around there, as it follows material design. The next app on the list is not notification on the list is Sort app. So it's a basic app aimed towards saving your battery life. This app will detect and sort down apps running in the background that uses a lot of battery. In the main screen, you will see the number of background apps currently running, percentage of battery and data it's consuming. By pressing the shutdown button here, it will close all of those applications. It will take a while to close, but it will make a difference in your battery life. If you want some applications to remain opened, you can add that app in the whitelist. We'll also have some extra features with this app, like this magic ball. A small ball will be displayed on your screen no matter where you go, whose size will increase as the number of background app increases. Tapping on it, you can view the amount of background apps running and the battery it's consuming. You can close all of those apps from there itself. Another feature is called Pocket Sort, which will close all applications automatically once the device is placed in pocket. Next app on the list is Brainwave. So with this app you can use your hand gestures to control music. This app uses the front camera to do so. So you can apply some gestures to stop music or start playing it. Go to the previous song, go to the next song, and you can even change the volume using this gesture. All of the gestures works almost all of the time except volume control's gesture. Sometimes certain hand movements are recognized as gestures, but most of the times this app works great. This app supports a lot of music players and it even works when the screen is turned off. The next app on the list is Phonovid. So it's a wallpaper app, but unlike others, it generates its own wallpaper. So in the main screen, you will be displayed a wallpaper and you can either like it or dislike it. From this app will learn what you will like and it will show relevant wallpapers that will match your interests. You can swipe up or down to navigate between wallpapers and swipe right to change its shape or swipe left to change its color. And if you find the wallpaper you like, you can just press here to apply it as your wallpaper. And all wallpapers generated by this app will be same as the resolution of your device. From here you can choose the frequency of the pattern and the color, and this app will change the wallpaper automatically if you want it to. You can just enable that option from here and you can choose the interval from here. And from the option here you can also choose the effects that you like. The next app on the list is Lock Me Out. So if you just can't stop using your phone, this app will help you. So with this app you can choose to lock yourself out, so you can't use anything from your phone, not a single app. So here's how it works. In the main screen you can set the timer and a code. Then this app will lock your device. It will use the default Android pin locking and it will change its pin constantly over a period of time. And after the time has been completed, it will then change the pin back to what you have set in the main page. Then you can unlock your device. But while the device is locked, you can't use any other app. All you can do is make emergency calls and take pictures. But apart from that, there is no way you can get into your device. So that's all about this app. If you think you have been spending a lot of time in your smartphone, just give this app a try. It's easy.